Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been such a long time since I sat down and filmed a video for you guys. It's just kind of like a lot, okay. So here I am today filming a new video for you guys. I feel like I'm not talking loud enough, but I don't want to be super loud where my roommates can hear me. So yeah, today I'm just going to be doing like a casual chit chat, get ready with me, summer get ready with me. So yeah, this is basically what I wear over the summer. The room is like a mess, so I'm trying to like cover it up. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen me yet, I do have blonde hair now, and it's actually not brushed. I literally like woke up and washed my face, brushed my teeth, and put contacts on. So yeah, my hair is not brushed, so if it's kind of crazy right now, I apologize. This is from like last night for my cousin's debut. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get on with the video. So first off, I always do my eyebrows first. I don't know why, I just do use the same stuff. Everything is going to be listed down below. Oh my god, it's been forever since I've like filmed a video, and I feel super like awkward, not awkward, but like hey. And I really need to fill, so just don't mind my nails. I'm probably just gonna take them off. Oh my god, I'm such a mess. So I just take a little bit of this. It's literally like, it's today, the 15th of July. July went by so fast, and I'm not happy about that because I go back in like a month and I don't want to go back to school. I used to love going to school, but my last semester I was just like a mess and just don't enjoy it as much. Okay, when I finish filling in my eyebrows off camera, because my eyebrows take forever, so I'll be back. Oh god. Alright, the eyebrows are here. They're popping. So during the summer it is really hot, and I just really can't with the heat. Like, I mean, I always liked summer, but I never like loved it. I only liked it because I got a break from school, which I'm pretty sure why everyone likes summer, like obviously. But I really don't like wearing a whole bunch of makeup over the summer, so this is basically what I wear like if I want to look presentable, but not like nothing too like dang, you know, like nothing like cake faced. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply some primer. This has been the primer that I've actually been liking. It's this little sample version that I got at Generation Beauty. I don't know if it really like keeps my makeup on my face, but I just really like the way this feels because it's like a gel primer, and it just feels like a cute little like moisturizer. But if anyone has any good primers for oily skin, let me know because I need one really bad. Does anyone else hate how red primer makes you? Like, Jesus Christ. Over here looking like a tomato. And then after that, I like to let it sit a little bit. And then I like to go in and curl my eyelashes. I really need to do curling iron, freak, I can't talk. Curling eyelash curler. I've had this one forever, and I feel like it just needs to be replaced. Because my eyes get so watery after I curl them. Oh my god, I have a booger and no one said anything. Anyways, I guess I'll just talk to you guys about my life so far. Update you guys. So me and Brian are still living in the same room. We still work at the same places. I have actually been waiting to get promoted. If you guys didn't know, I was working at, ooh, why did my wand get all like this? Ew. Okay, just gonna, I don't know what the heck just happened. My wand got all ugly and made my eyelashes clumpy. Okay, so basically I was working at a lady Foot Locker as a sales lead, so from part-time to sales lead, but they closed down our store. Well, long story short, I'm gonna be the assistant manager at the kids Foot Locker, where I first started working at when I moved here, which is really crazy because I remember moving here and telling myself like, oh, I'm gonna be the assistant manager here like one day or soon or whatever, and here I am. So yeah, that is currently my situation. So now I'm just going to take some concealer. Right now I have the NYX HD Studio Photogenic. I really love the Makeup Revolution, but every time I go they're always sold out. So I just bought this at Walmart. Walmart sells NYX now, which is crazy. And I just put it in places where I need it. So I always go underneath my eye. We are not wearing foundation because I don't even wear foundation most of the time. And then the pimples when you need them. And make sure you get a concealer that's like the color of your skin, like the actual skin tone, and not something like too light or too dark, because then it'll be obvious where you put the concealer, obviously. And then sometimes if I'm not lazy, I'll like dampen my beauty blender and then I'll do it, but most of the times I just use my finger because it is summer and it is hot and I just get very lazy. I mean, like, luckily we have AC in this house, but like sometimes, you know, you just don't got time to dampen the sponge, and which I think is like, which sucks because sometimes like I'll use it, but sometimes I don't because I just get too lazy to dampen it and walk all the way to the bathroom. And sometimes like our roommates are in the bathroom, so you gotta make do with what you got. Okay. I like to put like the leftover on my finger on my forehead, just because my forehead gets really red. And then when you like use your fingers, make sure you like press it in there like a beauty blender, not just like smearing it everywhere. But yeah, I remember when I was younger I used to use my fingers for like everything when I didn't have brushes, and I always forget like how, I guess, easy it is to use your fingers. And I have this stupid pimple here that's been here forever and it just won't go away, and even when I try to cover it, it just wants to stay. Like, I don't know what's going on. Okay. And this is basically what I'll wear over the summer. Or I won't wear makeup at all. Like if I'm staying at home all day, I just won't wear makeup and just call it a day. I always have no makeup days too, like during like school and whatever. Like I think my Mondays are like my no makeup days. And then I'll go in with this. This is my favorite one of my favorite highlighters lately. It's the Mega Glow Hello Halo by Wet n Wild, and it's just like a liquid with a doe foot applicator. And put that here in the high points of my face, basically. Nose, here. And then I'll take my finger again and blend that out. It just gives like a really nice, like healthy, youthful glow. And on days where I do wear like a lot of makeup, I put this under my like powder highlighter. Looks amazing. But I feel like it looks the best when you're like just wearing it alone and with like minimal makeup, because it just makes your face like glow, like healthy, like dewy type of glow. And it just looks really good on the skin. It's not like those highlighters where it like cakes up on your skin, because I hate that so much. Okay. And then sometimes I'll go in and powder my face. It all depends on how I'm feeling. If I feel like actually wearing like a whole bunch of makeup, then I will. Sometimes I'll go in and do some contouring a little bit. I guess I'll just show you guys what I do. I just dot it all over my face like this. On my nose a little bit. And on my forehead. I wonder if you can hear me like tapping on my face. And other times I won't, like, because I get really lazy, like I said, to do anything. But here I'll use a brush because this one is kind of hard to blend by itself. But most of the time I won't contour or like bronze up my face because I get lazy. And most of the time, like when I like do minimal makeup, I'm always just like going to work, so especially over the summer, it gets really hot. and you sweat off all of your makeup anyways. And the places I work don't have like the best AC either, so. Some places though, like when you go to the mall, like some stores are cold as heck. Forehead. I don't always use that stick contour. It's just, I like to just use it like underneath my bronzer and contour, but on occasion I will use it. I just like to really blend it out, especially if I'm not wearing foundation. I try to like blend it out as best as I can because since you're not wearing foundation, you can tell like the difference between like your makeup and your actual skin. I also don't like wearing foundation all the time because, you know, you gotta give your skin some time to breathe. It's so weird now because since I don't wear as much makeup, like whenever I do wear makeup, I feel like it just looks like a cake face on me. It's really weird. Like, I remember wearing makeup before, like, all the time, and it looked great, my face looked great. But now whenever I wear makeup, I'm just like, I can see the texture on my face, I can see everything, and it's just not as fun, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna just go in with my powder. All of these are pretty much drugstore except for the primer, but you can substitute it with any primer that you like. I hate the packaging of this. Like, does anyone else hate this packaging? Like, I don't understand. Okay. And then I'm just gonna use a smaller brush because we're not doing, I cleaned my brushes the other day, but we're just not doing anything crazy. A little bit of powder just to set your under eyes. My forehead, because my forehead always gets oily. My upper lip area, chin, and then of course the nose. And I like don't use too much powder because you still want to look a little glowy. And then sometimes if like my highlighter isn't like shining enough after I put powder, I'll put more. I'm gonna try to edit this like as less as possible because I feel like sometimes I'll edit too much and you guys don't get to see like the real me and how I am. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more highlighter. Still gotta be shining. I literally, this is like the most casual video I've ever done because usually I will like change my shirt, brush my hair, like literally I slept in the shirt and I'm not even wearing a bra right now. Like, has anyone done anything exciting this summer? Like, I feel like everyone has just been like at home and working this summer, like, or maybe that's just me. And then afterwards I will go in with like a little shimmery eyeshadow. This one's my favorite. This is the Overshadow by the Balm, but it is like really messy because it's like, and I just use whatever on the cap, to be honest. A little pencil brush, and this is what I'm putting in my inner corners. And then this will just make us look a little bit more awake and alive under the brow bone. And this is literally like the makeup that I do every day, which is kind of the reason why I never take pictures anymore, because I never do my makeup, I never do my hair. Like, I haven't done my hair like this or like curled it because it just takes so long. It's ridiculous. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyebrow gel. This, I've literally used this eyebrow gel since I was like maybe 15, like, I don't know. It's the only one that actually keeps my brow hairs in place. Like, all the other ones, my eyebrows be going willy-nilly. I feel like this is a really boring video. My life isn't that interesting. You guys don't know. And to finish it off, I'm just going to spray Mario Badescu, whatever you guys want to call it, all over, just so you can, oh, okay, that was a lot. And then also, like, before I do my makeup, I put Vaseline on my lips, so that's what's on my lips right now. And then I really alternate my lips when I do looks like this. But if I really want to go for like a summer, like a really nice summer glossy dewy look, I'm going to show you guys my favorite lip gloss combo that I've worn since last summer. I'm pretty sure you guys already know. I'm trying to like outline my lips. so it has like some color to it. I always try to wear like chapstick or something under my lip gloss because I feel like it really dries out my lips for some reason. And then I'll take the Kylie gloss and pop in, which is my favorite like gloss ever. But I really just don't like fuck with this like what is this? Like it's literally falling apart. And I put that towards the center of my lips and blend it. And it gives you that really cute like, look at me, it's summer, I'm poppin' look, you know? And yeah, that basically completes my like everyday glowy glossy summer makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it wasn't too boring or lame, and I will see you guys in my next video.